Welcome everyone to my new episode of price prediction for GALA cryptocurrency. Looking out here discussing for June 2024 and discovering the fact that GALA starts moving very well, quite impressively. Looking at the charts, of course, looking at the probabilities and capabilities of this cryptocurrency for the upcoming days. As I'm filming, it is 3rd of June 2024 and we're looking for discovering the most important details. So before we get into GALA's charts, there is the total 3 chart out here, which stands for crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum daily candles. What we are in a very good and strong bullish position about to transfer and convert previous supply energies into current demand situated on 665, right? So we're trying to react on this one, which will obviously establish the higher low effect and an uptrending movement that would look like this, with the acceleration at some point into breaking out of the whole trend, including supplies. So the idea is at the end of the day that the altcoins are needing that explosion, which will happen from $780 billion total market cap. And this is just going to portray the entire picture in a very positive effect. It's not bearish at the moment. It shouldn't be transformed bearish under any means by the way it looks right now. Before we continue to the charts of GALA, for those of you that are interested in education and would like to become traders, this is a one-on-one coaching with me, which I'd like to talk about at the end. For those of you that would like to go down financial, journey, financial freedom journey, financial predictability and security, trading is an activity that can be done part-time, producing and compounding extra resources. You also have the ability to join my trades. We're going to find out more about that one without any prior fees at the end of the video. So this is where we are, guys. GALA Crypto on daily, and we're looking at a situation obviously which represented the phase of correction starting from close to 9 cents, 0.087, right? So we have been correcting for 61%, and a lot of the community members have not expected basically to dip that deep, right? And it's obviously a level of reality over there. I mean, to lose basically quite the entire process of growth and coming back into that wick of the candlestick right there so deeply, taking the whole volume out, and you never come back to that level anymore because you got huge market orders put together by the exchanges on that level. You don't want to touch those again. You definitely want to take the markets from there to the highs. So what they've been able to do is a few fake outs, a few rejections applied to the top, and finally today is actually the time we're breaking out. This is the trending line of the entire correction phase. A correction phase which was not weak. Yeah, we definitely know about the reality all over the place when it comes down to the necessities of the cycles to reverse and convert around their liquidity. This is a situation exactly fitting that theory, especially with a 200 days moving average blue line support holding the charts. What do we expect right now from GALA is obviously and quite easily, unsurprisable, breaking out of the resistance, a supply zone sitting right there on 5 cents. And we're gonna directly aim with our first target into the golden pocket of the structure, which is around 50% from the current price section, and that sits on 7 cents. That's where I'm expecting some trouble. Knowing the fact that we might retrace from there a little bit, I'm not going to expect basically any form of a crash or significant reversal from there. I'd like to see the markets retracing a bit, forming a double bottom, and then strongly going for the breakout of the top. Is the breakout going to appear in June? Well, not necessarily. The idea is that the breakout needs to happen in the upcoming months in order to continue basically with the altcoins rally, and not to have a 6 months, 12 months of pause. You need to make your movements in June, July, August. You don't have any other time left without making your strong movements in June, July, August, in finding the next phase of the markets that will allow us to become more accelerated. If you slip around a corner like this for the upcoming periods, and then the stock markets will just go higher and higher and the crypto starts suffering again, you're not going to have a good time when stocks are going to reverse And this is not going to last forever for stocks to keep grinding and pumping, right? So we got to be careful. Crypto is having months to do their job, but it's not having a whole lot of the time. 2025 or late 2024 might be some shakeouts in the markets and difficulties out there. So that's where we are, folks, with the current situation. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you care about education, then you definitely want to check out this video till the end, where I'm describing how does the coaching works, including the ability for you to participate in my trades. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very, very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very, very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time. But the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high. And that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.